Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do a cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So right here in Adobe Premiere Pro, we have our 1080p footage and we would like to transform it into a cinematic 21:9. So to do that, we need to go here into our sequence right here and click on sequence settings because we need to change the frame size of the sequence itself. So from here, we need to go into our calculator so that we can calculate our frame size. So let's say we have our horizontal is 1920. So we're gonna go and type it in right here, and then we're gonna divide that by 2.39. And then we would have 803, but it is ending in an odd number. So I typically would recommend you to round it down to 800 to make it even. And also it would be divisible by 8. It is also very important that it's divisible by 8 because it would have some problems if it's not divisible by 8 for some reason. So yeah, I would typically go for 800 instead of 803. So once you're done with that, click on OK. And after that, you would be able to click on OK right here, and then you would be able to see it right here that it's now looking like this, and it would look good in a widescreen 21:9 aspect ratio. And now if you were to play it back in a 1080p screen, this is how it would look like. You would get some nice cinematic black bars in your screen right here. So yeah, this is basically how it would look like right here. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.